Hello everyone, now I am come back with our new application. It's maintenance box. Why I said the name of its maintenance box, I will tell you in between the app, because after saying its application product, now you will understand and better meaning of this maintenance box. So first of all, its features. Let's sign up. It's for this app because it's a new user, so sign up. In the sign up, the full name is first required. Full name is Uzair Ahmed. Uzair Ahmed and Uzair, yes, it's capital. It's email. Email ua17511@gmail.com. And now in password, any 6 character in just for the set. So password set in password, yeah, any greater than 6 character, greater than 5 characters you set it password. So now let's sign up. Yeah, that's great. After sign up, re-enter its email ua17511@gmail.com, and now its password is enter. Let's log in. Yeah, that's great. Login successfully. And call me for buying, selling and repairing. Yeah, it's application working. So now let's click on next. Yeah, that's great. It's home. So now I previously discussed why I just said the name is maintenance box, because it's the application of the major work on experience, because it's 30% off in every month. It sets a percentage difference, sometimes 20, 30 and 40 different sizes, but it's major work on its maintenance of that product. Buying and selling is also the part of this app, but maintenance is the major part of this app. If your product, so you will get the maintenance in this app, but if you want to buying or selling, it's also provided services. So let's discuss its features. Yeah, view all, and its home product. If you want to buying mouse, yeah, that's great. Take image of this patent, send to us. Its contact number is also provided. You can contact for this. If you want to repairing any type of its mouse or it's repairing, it's also contacted. But if you want to best services, for the best services, view all. Yeah, that's great. View all in best services for any type of bikes want to buying or selling or repairing, you can contact on that number. Take image. Yeah, that's great. And it's also, you can saying its bottom. Yeah, that's it's home, and it's best services for the heart. It has joined. And now last one is profile. And there's a profile. Yeah, you can cite location, phone number and profile status, like designations. It's default set. So if you want to edit your profile, you can click on it. Name Uzair Ahmed, it's already set, and the number is 0318239640. Location Karachi, Pakistan. Software engineer sets yes. So that's safe. Yeah, that's great. Update phone number. Now if you want to log out of this app, so just click on log out. Yeah, that's great. Log out. Thank you for saying and giving your time on saying the application. Thank you.